person that I know has had a back pain. So we've invented a cure for that. All you need is the future of the backs. A good name for what we've made, it's a back support for your lower back so that you don't have any back pains while at school, at work, and at home. It even has a head cushion for extra comfort.
My favorite part was when everyone had so many ideas and we could talk and discuss about them together and make new ones like based on those ideas.
It was like hard to come up with a plan. The time we had was limited, so it was first it was hard to come up with something. Well, we put together like two of the best ideas and we kind of like made them into one piece.
So everyone had so many ideas that we couldn't like decide what we're gonna do, and that took a bit time. But after we had decided, then it got better.
So I think our biggest challenge was deciding what to do. There are many ideas. As a matter of fact, I even put an idea of a solar-powered bicycle, but that was turned down because it's hard to make a bicycle out of recyclable material. So I think that was the biggest challenge, but because, as I've mentioned, our teamwork, it helped us overcome that challenge.